Hey guys, this is Justin, and today we are going to talk about 6 ways your kit lens is better than you think. The kit lens is one of the most widely available lenses in the world, and what I'm having here right now on my ADD is the 18mm to 55mm F3.5-5.6 IS STM. To prove my point, all of these shots, including the one before and the one you're gonna see later, is going to be shot using only the kit lens. You guys gonna see how good it is. Well, except for the B-rolls that involves the kit lens, of course. I've always cherished and I've always loved the kit lens because it has shaped me on how I see the world through my camera. And without it, I wouldn't be here today. And I've learned so much in such a short time just by using the kit lens. You know, it's such a shame that while this is the most widely available lens in the world, like you can find it literally everywhere, but it's also one of the most neglected lens. And this is why I'm here today, to show you guys that the kit lens is way better than you think it is. First, and probably the most important feature of the lens is the autofocus. It's really fast and accurate most of the time. Combined with Canon's AI Servo focus, tracking your face or tracking movement is really easy. And I can't stress how important is the autofocus. To be fast, to be really reliable, because if you're vlogging, you're gonna want your focus to be on you all the time. And Canon is doing a really good job with the kit lens. Well, having autofocus on the lens, like really good autofocus on the lens, really comes with a heavy price, but not in this case. The kit lens itself is really cheap. It's priced around 5,600 pesos, or probably around $100 US. That's it. And it's so widely available, you can just buy it anywhere. Almost every shop stocks it. That's the thing. And you can always buy from Amazon or Lazada or any kind of place, or you can just search for a used one for even cheaper price. Usually it's brand new because people don't even touch it. And being so cheap means that you can always get one for yourself or get yours replaced if damaged. Well, the kit lens that I'm having right now, which is the 18 to 55mm, weighs only around 200 grams. And throughout the ranges of the kit lens that are being produced by Canon, it ranges around that same weight, 200 grams. That's it. It's really lightweight, and the small form factor means that you can always carry it around everywhere you go. Put it in your back pocket or put it in your bag. You won't even notice that it's there. I mean, at least that's to me. I always carry my kit lens around just in case I need it. It's so light, it doesn't even make any difference. Now, one of the most impressive features of the lens is probably the macro feature. Well, shooting macro means that you're able to shoot detailed stuff, like for products, for any kind of surfaces, for plants, for insects, you know, this kind of stuff. And the kit lens is not that great in macro, but it serves as an entry point for macro. If you're interested in shooting macro, then the kit lens will probably be your entryway. Just move a little bit closer to your subject, make sure it's in focus, have really good lighting, and here you go, macro shots. Enough said, I'm gonna show you some examples right now. Image stabilizer, it's so helpful no matter whether are you shooting videos or are you shooting photos. Well, it helps a lot in taking low light photos, usually where you have to leave your shutter open for a little bit while. It keeps your camera really stabilized so that you can have a really sharp shot. And in terms of video is gonna help a lot as well, because if you're moving around, you're gonna want that image stabilization to be working. Or if you're going freeform, you're going handheld on your camera, the image stabilization is going to help so much. And in post-production, like in Premiere Pro, for example, like what I did, just use the warp stabilizer and it's going to smooth out your footages like crazy. Just have the right settings. Well, just to prove my point here and just to show you how awesome the kit lens can be, I've shot probably some B-roll footages just for you guys to see. Here we go. So that's it, that's the B-roll. I hope you guys like it, and I seriously think that the kit lens should be more appreciated, or should be appreciated more. I spent a lot of time with it when I first got my camera, and the kit lens has helped me so much, whether I'm taking photos, or I'm taking video. Well, I suggest that you guys do the same before moving on to other lenses, before getting yourself a more specific lens, I would say, a prime lens or another zoom lens, or depending on what your interest is. I mean, sure, the lens has its flaws, like the really high f-stops and stuff like that, but just think of it as a challenge. Turn limitation into challenges and look at stuff in a new angle. I mean, it forces you to be really creative with your shots, as well as really how to utilize your camera as well. I mean, play around with the aperture, the shutter speed, and the ISO as well, depending on the focal length, how much you're gonna focus, are you gonna zoom in, are you gonna zoom out. It challenges you to think differently rather than just shoot here, shoot there. It's never ever going to be better than other lenses, of course. It's just a kit lens. But all I'm saying here is that it could be a stepping stone for you guys. Learn the ways before you invest into better lenses. No matter what it is, and no matter how many lenses that I've got in my collection right now, the kit lens will always have its place with me. Well, anyway guys, like if you like this video, and if you don't like the video, tell me why in the comments down below and I'll improve next time. Remember to subscribe, it helps so much, and again, thanks for watching.